Barbara, I'm 53 years old. I had the Radiant Peel, and I'm very, very, very happy with the results of that, and I will add on to that. I plan on having my chest peeled next to get rid of all those ugly brown spots. The consultation was very thorough and answered all my questions, called me up later at home, because sometimes you think of things after you've been home and you're not so nervous, and it was so thorough I didn't have any further questions. The pre-surgery packet that was given to me at my consultation, that was very, very thorough. One of the procedures I had to do a few weeks before getting the Radiant Peel done was put Retin-A on my skin, which Pam provided for me. You don't have to run around all kinds of different places when you come here. Everything is right here, ready for you, which I really appreciate because I'm very busy, my time's compressed. I was so scared to use the Retin-A. I said, I just can't. I know it's going to burn me. I've tried little things before and it's no good. She said, this is very good grade. Trust me, you're going to like it, and I love it, and I continue to use it. So now and Retin-A is very good for your skin. So now I have a product that I can use that was provided for me, that I can use continually throughout my life, that will also enhance the appearance of my skin but keep it healthier. I can see with my daughter it will boost her confidence because she does feel badly, and so she's very excited to come here. She really feels great about herself, but she doesn't like how her breasts look because of the sagging, and she is flying all the way out here to come to this center so she could have the procedure done, because I was telling her how well I was treated from the moment I stepped in. The staff, the doctor's bedside manner is excellent, and what I really, really appreciated was that he put me on a 3-week vitamin and supplement regimen that would help lower inflammation and prevent severe bruising, and just have my blood be really healthy before the procedure. My daughter came in actually this past summer. She lives in Texas and Austin, and they have a lot of great cosmetic surgeons there, and she has met with some of them, but she also met with Dr. Nixter, and she said none of them had talked to her, none of them had mentioned to her how she would be on a supplemental program to prepare her for the procedure. And I told her how wonderful the staff is, how they always checked in with me. How are you feeling? Is there anything wrong? Here's my cell phone number. Text me, call me whenever you feel the need. Don't think it's silly, do it. And she was so impressed with that. She said, I don't care, Mom, if my doctor's not 5 miles away from my house. She said, I'm coming here because I know when I get the procedure done and I go back home, if anything's wrong, that they can instruct me over the phone and I could take it from there. And so to me, it's so nice because you have this procedure, does not take a long time at all, and then for months and months and months and months, you have the added benefit of it. I was very, very apprehensive about getting it done, even more so than my breast surgery, because I have very, very sensitive skin. The consultation that I got before that was absolutely fantastic with Pam, the esthetician, and she was so thorough, and she got to the point, I was taking notes, and she said, I'm going to give you literature on this, but I am so glad to see that you're taking notes. Then she called me up to make sure I understood everything that she said, and then, I scheduled my appointment, and then I came in and I got the procedure done, and they basically paint the chemicals on your face, and you're laying there, and you have a fan because it's very warm, and the fan keeps your skin cool, and then you get up and your face just looks nice and shiny, and it starts peeling about 3 days later. So I went to work, and I work in a profession where some people think image is everything. I didn't care. I go to work, no makeup, I'm kind of happy about it. And I'm hosting a business luncheon that day, and that's when my face decided to peel. And when your face, at least in my case, when it started to peel, it starts coming off in like sheets. And my face felt, it was a long lunch, about 2.5 hours, and my face felt really weird. And when I got into the car and I put down the little vanity mirror that's on your visor, I could see that my face was peeling away in sheets. And here I am, people are eating around me. I have the best colleagues ever because I cannot believe they put up with that. But I could see underneath that my skin looked like a baby skin. And so anyway, I went back in the office, told my business partner, I have to hurry up and finish all my work because I'm out of here in 25 minutes and I have to go home and spray my face with water because you're not allowed to peel it off. I have to spray my face with water so the skin will slough off. And that's exactly what I did. And you spray your face with a bunch of water, pat it dry, and your skin just will naturally start coming off. You have baby skin underneath, just like when you were born. It's so pretty. That will peel off again. And then you just have great skin. And I would like to add that I am very grateful for the staff and the doctors here. I feel that I'm not just a number, I'm not just a paycheck, that they really care about they care about me as a human being. They care if I'm happy or not happy with my procedure. They care that I look good, which makes me feel good. And I think that that's a wonderful thing. And I really like that. I really appreciate it. And from talking with friends, family, colleagues, not everybody has that experience in life. And for me to be able to come here and hit it right away is just really great. I have no intention of going anywhere else.